Again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you like to make at home. Anyway, I must apologize about that detoxing which I did start a couple of days ago. I get back an email and someone was saying to me, Ken, if I can start it on a Monday evening, Chef Ricardo, a very good thing what you're doing, but can you start it on a Monday evening? But anyway, today detoxing drink, we definitely gonna do this one is a detoxing, and I'm going to be doing 5-day detoxing and all these things. But I was doing another research a couple of weeks ago. I did an apple cider vinegar and coconut water. But when I was thinking about something else also, and I started to use it about 3-4 days ago, which this one is going to be 100% coconut water. All right, guys, with aloe vera. Okay, so basically aloe vera and coconut water, that's a drink which we're going to be talking about now. If you want to give that a try at home, you can give that one a try at home, but it's a very good drink. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend also. I must say to you guys, you can do your own research about aloe vera, because some people are allergic to things. You may be allergic to aloe vera, and you may be allergic to even coconut water. So please do your search before you even go. This kind of detoxing drink, it is better for you to drink it in the morning or when you're going to your bed. Don't get me wrong, you can drink it straight through the day. All depends how your body feel for it for the day. But you know what I mean, aloe vera is very good for us, and natural coconut water, mix both of them together, and honestly it works really well. So nothing too complicated, it's very easy. All of these ingredients you can get them at the local shop or supermarket. Remember to join me on my 5-day journey with my detoxing drink. It's gonna be 5 evening of detoxing drink. Okay, before you go to your bed, you can do a detoxing, but this one will be coconut water and also aloe vera water, aloe vera drink. All right, you can get fresh aloe vera and use that one, but this aloe vera is 100% pure aloe vera inside of this one. Basically you can get this one from the health shop or from the supermarket or from, you know what I mean, wherever, you know, and you can use the natural real aloe vera and do what you're gonna do. Okay, anyway, so if I do a quick one to show my fans them roughly exactly what I'm talking about, so roughly about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera in the glass like this. Second thing, you can get roughly, because I'm using a half glass, and I'm gonna get the coconut water and I'm gonna pour straight inside of it, and I'm just gonna put it really 3/4 of it mixed with the aloe vera. So it's gonna be 3/4 glass. So as you can see, it's not a lot. I just put 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera, and also because you know aloe vera come with a really bitterness. A lot of people not gonna be liking it. So if you want to use some natural 100% honey to put inside of it, or you can use some, you know, that you can just drink it as it is, just like what I'm gonna be doing. Because for me, these things really come no way to Chef Ricardo. I will just drink it as it is at the moment. So let's give this one a try. And you can taste the aloe vera in the water with the coconut. So basically these things, guys, do works, but it's something which you have to keep up. You know, you can do something today and don't do it the next day. Okay, it doesn't work. All right, guys. So aloe vera and coconut water, you know what I mean, can detox your body, you know what I mean, and all these things. Aloe vera is good for us, clean out our immune system. And not only that, when I'm a young man was used to grow up, my grandmother used to give me aloe vera to wash my hair or to rub on my skin and all these things. So yeah, why not? If you can rub something on the skin, it can go inside of your body and all these things. So I remember about those days. Really nice, I like. So aloe vera and coconut water. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So